Welcome to the HVAC Monitoring Dashboard for Langara's Building B. This dashboard shows how temperatures behave across the building in real time. On the left, you see the average supply air temperature. Lighter colors mean cooler air. Darker reds mean hotter air supply. On the right, you see the temperature deviation for each room. Gray rooms are comfortable. Red rooms are hotter than required. Blue rooms are colder than required. Together, these maps show the relationship between HVAC output and room comfort. We can filter the view by date range and the time of day. And we can play through the data hour by hour using the playback button. With this tool, we can observe how the building responds throughout the day. Let's see an example. Let's look at June 12th. By using the drop-down menu, we can select the date and time. We start playback at 6 a.m., 2 hours before the building is occupied. Watch how temperatures change as the day progresses. Remember, on the left, we can observe the temperature of the air being supplied to the rooms. And on the right, we can observe whether rooms are hotter or colder than they should be. Hour by hour, each individual room's specific conditions and patterns are identified. Around 4 p.m., we notice a situation. We stop the playback and observe in detail. Two groups of offices across the hallway have very different conditions. One is too hot, the other is too cold. And both are on the same air system. When we compare supply air temperatures, they're quite similar, at around 19 degrees Celsius. But the rooms respond differently. That shows a potential issue with airflow, insulation, or room usage. In the same way, we can observe the data from all sensors in all rooms through a simple and easy-to-use tool. We can see the room ID, the date and time, AHU unit, and room type. Below that, the system displays air system matrix for that specific moment. This includes damper position, heating coil valve. We also see the supply air temperature and room set point. Airflow and its set point are included as well. And finally, room temperature and temperature deviation. This shows how easily and deeply we can explore room level details, helping decision makers act with greater precision.